In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Protonmail. Protonmail is a privacy-focused email service that's simple to set up, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your favorite web browser and head to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar and the secure padlock icon. This helps you avoid lookalike links and keeps your sign-up safe. On the homepage, look for the Create a Free Account button and click it. This takes you straight into the sign-up flow. You'll be asked to choose a plan. Protonmail offers a completely free option along with paid tiers that add more storage and features. Pick the one that fits your needs today. You can always upgrade later if you outgrow it. Behind the scenes, Protonmail is built for privacy. Messages can be protected with end-to-end encryption, and the company uses a zero-access design, so your mailbox content remains unreadable to the service itself. That security model is why the sign-up feels straightforward yet careful about your credentials. Next, you'll create your login details. Start by entering a username. This becomes your new email address, so choose something you're comfortable sharing. For extra privacy, consider choosing a username that doesn't reveal personal details. If the name is already taken, try a small variation until you see it marked as available. Then set a strong password. A good approach is a long passphrase made of several unrelated words with a mix of numbers or symbols. Because Protonmail is built around strong encryption, losing your password can mean losing access, so store it in a trusted password manager and keep it private. When your username and password look good, continue through the form and confirm any prompts you see on screen. To finish, click Start using Protonmail now. The site will prepare your mailbox and take you to your new inbox. Once you're in, you'll see a clean interface. The left sidebar holds your folders, labels, and settings. The big button at the top lets you compose a new message, and your inbox list appears in the center. You may also see a short welcome tour that highlights key areas. Take a moment to glance around so you know where everything lives. That's it. You navigated to protonmail.com, chose Create a Free Account, selected the plan that suits you, entered a username and password, and clicked Start using Protonmail now. From here, you're ready to manage messages confidently with privacy in mind. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Protonmail account.